In this video, I will show how to install Oracle JDK on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL, and then scroll down, and from here select the Java version you want to install on your system, and then select the operating system. From here I am going to install JDK on Linux. Okay, select Linux. I am going to install JDK from compressed archive. Okay, click here to download the archive. It may take a while for downloading JDK 17 archive for Linux. Okay, download complete. Now open download folder and extract this archive anywhere on your computer. I'm going to extract it on my home directory. Okay. Okay. Now browse this URL and copy these lines, and then open new terminal. Okay. Now type this command nano dot profile. Okay. Now go to bottom of this file and paste here. Okay, and here enter the JDK installation directory. Copy this path here. Okay, now save this file and reload .profile or restart the computer to apply the changes. Okay, now verify the installation. Type this command java ---- version. That's it. Java 17 installed successfully on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.